have you heard of affiliate marketing and you've been intrigued by this side hustle that everyone is talking about and how they've made a fortune out of it? Here I'm talking about what affiliate marketing is, and we'll take you through the basic steps to get you started on affiliate marketing. So let's go. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Zuma and I've been in the marketing business for a number of years. When I first heard the term affiliate marketing, I struggled to understand what it means. It wasn't intuitive to me. So here is what the word means. Affiliate is a person or an organization that is officially attached to a bigger body. But in marketing, affiliate is a system where an affiliate person earns a commission for promoting someone else's products. So if you use the product and you really liked it, you can be an affiliate marketer by promoting this product and getting a portion of the revenue. I'm sure this sounds great for some of you. Oh. And it's just started to rain. Okay, I'll see you inside. So for example, if you used a piece of software that you liked it and you're happy to promote it, or if you bought some vitamin supplements that improved your health, you can be that affiliate marketer that makes money by promoting these products to followers and friends. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is that you can start with no cost at all, so stay tuned as we will discuss how. The way affiliate marketing works is that you promote a product using a link that you get from the seller, and you distribute this link on your social channels, on your blog posts, on your videos. And when people buy through the link that you have provided, then the seller pays you a commission. Affiliate marketing has grown so much in the past years that it became a very solid business model. It accounts for 16% of all e-commerce purchases in the US and Canada. Now compare this to paid search and email marketing, where each account for 20% of online sales. Statistics also reveal that affiliate marketing accounts to 15% of all digital media sales, and that 94% of publishers use affiliate marketing networks. Stats also reveal that affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth 12 billion US dollars. Can you imagine that 65% of affiliate marketers generate traffic through blogging? This is all strong evidence that affiliate marketing is such a huge business and that it won't be slowing down anytime soon. Another good thing about the affiliate marketing, aside to the low cost, is that you don't need to worry about customer service. You're actually selling products, but you don't have hands on the products. All you need to do is to get customers through the doors. Integrity is very important here. Promoting scammy products is not right morally and will get your followers to lose trust in you. So it is advisable to promote products that you have tried yourself, or at least you have done your due diligence and you know that they are good products. Enough talking about affiliate marketing as a business. Now let's talk about the steps for you to become an affiliate marketer. So here are the basic steps that you will need to follow to build an income stream from affiliate marketing. The first step is to find a niche and to pick some products. And by the way, the word niche is a French word that means bird's nest. So it's not niche, it's niche. CH in French is pronounced sh, and the I is pronounced like a double E, like feet or neat. And I know this because French used to be my second language, but now English is my second language, and French is third or fourth. And the second step is to build an ecosystem where you distribute your affiliate links. The first step is you want to find products that you enjoy working on. Let's talk about the types of products that you can promote with affiliate marketing. Products can be digital, like ebooks and online courses, or it can be products like tangible items like a camera or an earphone, or it can be an online service like Canva, the design software, or SEMrush, the web analytics tool. And the last one is the form submit, when you're getting rewarded for getting people to sign up or fill a form. And you can start by looking at the affiliate programs by companies that you like. For example, you can Google Nike's affiliate program or Vans shoes affiliate programs and go and check the details of the affiliate programs. You might like them and you might go with them. There's also bigger affiliate program networks like Amazon Associates, like Impact, CJ, and a whole list of affiliate programs that you can see here on the screen. These are affiliate programs where you can create an account and you can start searching for products that you like, that they're selling, and start promoting them. So let's have a look at Amazon Associates, for example. Amazon has one of the largest affiliate programs called Amazon Associates. It's completely free to sign up. All you have to do is to create an account with them, then go to the dashboard to find products that you intend to sell and get the links from there. And those links are tracked through cookies, so Amazon would know when you sell a product through your link. Commissions vary depending on the product you're selling and the category, from 1% to 10%. So for example, if you sell a book, you get around 5%. If you do the math, 5% commission on a $20 book is $1. But remember that it's a numbers game, and when you sell 1,000 books, then you get $1,000. Beauty products give you 10% commission and so on. So I highly recommend starting with Amazon Associates to get your feet in, and it's completely free. You can see on the screen here how you can get an affiliate link to share. First, you need to create an account with Amazon Associates. Then once you're logged in, you can fetch the product you want to promote. Then you go here and copy the link and place it on your website. You've chosen the products and got the link, and now what? Focus, because the fun part is yet to come. Getting traffic. And here you need to set up a full ecosystem to get traffic. And there's two ways to get traffic. There's the free traffic and there's the paid traffic. So paid traffic is when you run paid ads to get traffic to your affiliate website. And this works best for products with a high margin like cameras or camera lenses. And here are some sources of free traffic. And yes, they're free, but you'll notice that you need to put some effort. And the first one is YouTube. You can create videos about products and put affiliate links in the description. You might be one of those who don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. And this is my 11th video, but as you can see, I'm still not very comfortable in front of the camera. So I totally get it, and there's a solution for this. You simply get someone to film your videos for you. You just find an idea and write down the material and get someone to film it for you. The alternative for this is to start making your own videos, no matter how you feel about it. And before you know it, you'll get past this stage of struggling with making videos. Then you have Instagram. And with Instagram, you need to have 10,000 followers to get the swipe feature. And with the swipe feature, you get people to click on your products and start converting through your affiliate links. You also have Facebook groups. Simply you create a Facebook group, put content and add links to it. If you skip this step and go directly to put links in other people's group, your links can be deleted and you might be banned from the group. Then you have TikTok. And with TikTok, you need to create a community of followers and add your links to the bio. There's also email marketing. And here you write a newsletter packed with value and affiliate links. Email is still a very strong strategy, and you can build a highly engaged community with it. When you fill your newsletter with tips and hints and valuable content, then you stand a very high chance of converting customers through your affiliate links. And the best of those techniques is web blogging. As we discussed earlier, the majority of affiliate sales come from blogging. It's a very successful and rewarding technique. All you need here is to buy a domain for $20 or $30, then use WordPress for free to build your website. Don't worry if you don't know any coding. WordPress has so many free templates for you to get started, and they're all very easy to use. Then you'll need to start writing your articles in your niche and add your affiliate links there. And here are some tips for you. One thing I want to reiterate here is that don't fall into the trap of thinking that you can use forums like Quora or Reddit to put your links there. Your links can get deleted and you can get banned by the moderators there. It also looks spammy and no one likes this. It's not a good strategy and you cannot build a business around it. And if you decided to choose any of the techniques mentioned here, remember to stay consistent with producing content. Platforms love fresh content to give you the exposure that you need. Now go ahead and decide on which technique suits you best to start your affiliate marketing business. I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know in the comments below which technique suits you best. And if you like the content of this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to support this new channel. Thank you and bye for now.